Hey everyone! In 2026, SSD prices are skyrocketing due to NAND shortages and AI boom. I want to upgrade my computer, but which one is the right choice? They all look exactly the same to me. How can I tell which one is quality?
Good news. CrystalDiskInfo Portable is one of the most popular free tools for this. It's safe, no installation required, just download and run. Mr. Stevus. CrystalDiskInfo Portable has great reviews. It's free, safe, and even shows that this drive it's checking your SSD helps. And you can also easily check through commands in Windows 11.
Search PowerShell. Run as administrator. These are all the commands that we will execute. Step 1. We check drive volumes. This command confirms which drives Windows recognizes, their capacity, and file system status. It's the basic step to know what's connected and how much space is left. Step 2. We list physical disks. This command shows the disk name, serial number, type SSD or HDD, capacity, and whether it can join a storage pool. End users focus on name and size, while IT pros use serial and pool eligibility for management. Step 3. We check overall health. Operational status tells us if the disk is working normally, in service, or has lost communication. Health status is the most important. Healthy, warning, or unhealthy. If it's not healthy, back up immediately. Step 4. We check lifetime and wear. Power on hours shows how long the disk has been running. Wear indicates usage level. High hours with low wear means an old drive. High wear with low hours means still good. Suspicious mismatches may suggest renewed hardware. If PowerShell doesn't show power on hers, wear, use CrystalDiskInfo for complete smart details. Step 5. We check temperature. Current and maximum recorded values are shown. Drives should stay below 70 C. If temps are consistently high, cooling improvements are needed. Step 6. We check read and write errors. If these numbers increase, the disk is at risk. Always back up data immediately. Finally, Step 7. We run a full smart overview. This command outputs all available attributes for deep analysis. It's mainly for IT professionals who want complete diagnostics. Now, you've seen how to check SSD and HDD health step by step with PowerShell. For a quick visual summary, let's look at CrystalDiskInfo. With just one glance, you can see health status, temperature, and lifetime hours pass or fail, all color-coded for clarity.
Thank you for watching the entire video. The commands shown in the video are in the description. Please copy and paste them for faster access.